Good day guys, and welcome to our Replit tutorial for beginners. Make money with Replit. If you're a beginner and want to start coding without installing anything, or you're looking for real ways to make money using Replit in this year, this video will walk you through everything step by step. And by the end, you'll know how Replit works, what you can build on it, and how people are actually monetizing Replit projects today. And now, let us make an introduction. What is Replit and why it matters in this year? So Replit is a browser-based coding platform where you can write, run and deploy code directly from your browser. No downloads, no setup, no configuration issues. In 2025, Replit is popular because it supports dozens of programming languages. It works on any device. It allows instant app deployment. It's beginner-friendly but powerful enough for professionals. Replit is used for learning programming, building real applications, creating bots and automation, launching paid tools and services. And of course, in order to start, just like everywhere guys, you just need to sign up for the account. It's very simple. For instance, if you have a Google account already, you can just press on create account and just continue with Google. If not, view more options and choose any of these accounts that you can use to sign up with. Otherwise, just continue with email if you wish. And then once you create your account and log in, you will land on the Replit dashboard, which is this one right over here, and where all your projects are resided, and they're called repls, all stored right here. And now, in order to start understanding the Replit interface, it's actually quite simple and minimalistic. So first up, of course, you will need to create some kind of project, and this takes us, of course, to probably the most important part of this video. So how do you create a first project that will, of course, in the future let you make money? So we have apps. As you can see, I already have some of them created, and you can do that as well. So in order to create a new app, as you can see, you can press on that, and it highlights us this place right over here, which is our prompt panel. So this is where you can, in simple words, explain which kind of project you wish to build. As you can see, we have a drop down in here about which, for example, app or whatever you're willing to create. So what do we have here? Web application, mobile application, data app, 3D game, and also the new one in beta, which is agents and automations. Also general. So just decide what you wish to build. And then in simple words, and of course don't forget to include the details, explain your idea. So say you want to create, for example, a mobile app. You choose it, but of course you'll need a subscription. And then you write something like, I want to create, for example, well, let's say dating app. A dating app with a romantic, fancy UI, easy to use and navigate. Something like this, guys. And then you press on start. And of course, if you're on the free plan, just note that your daily credits are limited. And then once you're ready to build, just press on start, and this Replit service just builds this app for you. If you're willing to, you can, of course, customize it after, right? So let me just start creating. And now, guys, as you can see, this is going to be our future interface that you'll be working with. So what do we have here? So on the right side, it didn't appear yet, but on the right side, as you can see, on the right side, we have a file explorer. This is where you can search your files. As you can see, you can browse them, you can view them, etc., etc. So just pretty much a file explorer of your entire project. Then on the very center, we have our main panel. As you can see, there's going to be a preview as the AI is creating the application for us. We can see the preview on the very center. And also in here, we have tabs. As you can see, tools and files. So if you're willing to, for example, publish your project, connect integrations, create authentication, etc., etc., connect your GitHub, for example, you can do it all here. So this is pretty much your console, so to say, where you can code adjust and edit your code, and of course do whatever you wish with your project. So pretty much this is going to be your code editor, and it also includes syntax highlighting, auto completion, and also gives you error hints. And of course, one of the most important things is of course the console, which is right over here. It allows you to of course test your different code and shows program output, errors or logs. And also, as you can see in the top, we have a run project or start application. So clicking run executes your program instantly. So everything runs in the cloud. Your computer does none of the heavy lifting. Now on the right, as you can, on the left, sorry, we see what is being done. So as you can see, our AI is now creating server, PostgreSQL database, server, config files. All of this stuff is being generated and created by AI. So you can see it does everything for you, and then you can pick it up from here. So it basically creates your project, and then you can of course code it and insert your own imagination into it and work with it as you please. So just pretty much wait until everything's done, and then in the preview you will have your app created. And then you can start adjusting it, customizing it, changing different styles of it, and yeah, customize it to your liking. Alright, as you can see, this is the preview of our application. So as you can see, in my case, I've just created a web app and not a mobile app because it's a paid service and you need to buy a subscription for that. But as you can see, this is how created a little application for dating. As you can see, it's called it Amor, and yeah, it has like a little title, and then you can just press start your journey, and as you can see, we have this login interface. So yeah, it's all up to you to adjust, of course, and to pretty much make it so that it runs as a full available application. And now from this point on, you can just use your agent. So pretty much, as you can see, we have the same thing that we did. Let me open that up. So we have Replit. So as you can see, the same thing we have in here to create our project, pretty much the prompt panel, the same thing we have here. And as you can see, you can make any changes that you wish to your application, change your interface, UI, functionality, add or remove functions, add pages, etc. So you can just pretty much make a full-blown application just like you have them on Play Store or App Store. And then of course you can monetize it, maybe add some kind of subscriptions to it or something. And then of course you can start making money off of it. But for this, of course, you will have to have some kind of plan for your project so that you can start making money with it. So you can build client websites, create scripts and automation, develop small web apps. And then you just build the app, deploy it, and you can charge users via subscriptions, just like I said, or one-time payments. And then if you wish to maybe collaborate with someone else, you can also add a person right over here, and you can code with them together in real time. For example, you can add them by username or email or private join link. And then when you're ready to publish, you can just press on publish, upgrade to a core subscription, and then also post this to either a Replit domain, or you can add your own domain here, and then people will be able to view it, of course, on the web and access it, and you can monetize it and make money off of it. So that's pretty much it. Replit is more than just a learning platform, it's a business tool. If you stay consistent, build useful projects, and focus on real-world problems, Replit can absolutely help you generate income. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Also check description. And thanks for watching, guys.